Changing the language in the YouTube Music app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the YouTube Music app. Launch the YouTube Music app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to Settings. In the menu that appears, look for the Settings option and tap on it. This will open the Settings menu where you can adjust various preferences. Step 4. Select Language. Scroll through the settings until you find the Language option. Tap on it to see the list of available languages. Step 5. Choose your preferred language. From the list, select the language you want to use in the app. Once selected, the app will automatically update to reflect your choice. Now you can enjoy YouTube Music in your preferred language. If you ever want to change it again, just follow these steps.